Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. How are you today? How about your fasting today? Is it funny or getting boring? But whatever it is, I hope you are all in good spirits. Okay, first let me introduce myself. My name is Nabilah Rosyidah. I'm from class B. I am a nursing student of Aisyah University Bandung. Today we are going to discuss about the TOEFL test, especially listening section part A. But before we start, let's say Bismillah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Everyone, do not any further ado. Let's get to the material. Okay, here is TOEFL listening section part A. What is listening section part A? Listening section part A is short conversation among two speakers. In this listening section part A, there are 50 questions in 30 minutes and there is one question after the dialogue. Tricks and tips in this listening section part A is: first, focus on the second line or the second speaker, and then keep in mind that the correct answer is probably a restatement of a keywords in the second line in the conversation. Please don't be panicked if you don't understand the complete conversation. Choose the answer that contains a restatement of those words, or choose the answer that sounds the most different from what you heard. Last, keep in mind that certain structures and expressions are tested regularly in listening section part A. Listening section part A has 6 skills that can make it easier for you to find the answer in each question. Skill 1, restatement. Skill 2, negative expression. Skill 3, suggestion. Skill 4, passive. Skill 5, conclusion, who and where. Skill 6, expression of agreement. Skill 1, restatement. The best strategy to choose the answer with restatement is: 1. As you listen to the second line of the conversation, you should focus on the keywords in that second line. 2. If you see a restatement of the keywords in a particular answer, then you have probably found the correct answer. 3. Do not choose answer with words that sound similar to the words on the recording, or avoid similar sounding words. Okay, I have notes. This is to see the differences between the similar sounding words. Don't listen to the sound, but look at the sentence. What the sentence needs, verb or to be, to make it to be a complete sentence or complex sentence. I have exercise for skill 1, 2 exercises. Okay, for first exercise, man, what do you like about your new house? Woman, it's very close to the park. The question is, what does the woman mean? A. The house is closed up now. B. She parks her car close to her house. C. Her house is near to the park. D. She doesn't really like her new house. Here, the correct answer is C, because synonym or restatement of very close is near. Okay, this is the second exercise of skill 1. The dialogue is: the woman, Sam, you've been working at the computer for hours. The man, yes, and I need to take a break. The question is, what does the man mean? A. The computer is broken. B. He needs to relax for a while. C. He should keep working. D. He's broke. The correct answer is B, because restatement of take a break is relax. Okay. Skill 2, negative expression. The most common kind of correct response to a negative statement is a positive statement containing a word with an opposite meaning. For the example, The door isn't open. The correct answer is the door is closed. Because not open is negative expression, so we have to find a positive statement. Okay, positive statement of not open is closed. Like that. How? You can get it? I hope you can get it. Oh my god. Okay, next to our exercise. Okay, I have two exercises for skill 2. This is the first exercise. Okay, the dialogue is, woman, have you ever come early for the class? The man, at no time have I ever come to class on time. The question is, what does the man mean? A. He has no time to come to class. B. He doesn't attend class. C. He comes to class early every once in a while. D. He always comes to class late. The correct answer is D, because the positive expression of no on time is late. Okay. Skill 2. Negative expression. The most common kind of correct response to a negative statement is a positive statement containing a word with an opposite meaning. For the example, the door isn't open. The correct answer is the door is closed. Because not open is negative expression, so we have to find a positive statement. Okay, positive statement of not open is closed. Like that. How? You can get it? I hope you can get it. Oh my god. Okay, next to our exercise. Okay, I have two exercises for skill 2. This is the first exercise. Okay, the dialogue is, woman, have you ever come early for the class? The man, at no time have I ever come to class on time. The question is, what does the man mean? A. He has no time to come to class. B. He doesn't attend class. C. He comes to class early every once in a while. D. He always comes to class late. The correct answer is D, because the positive expression of no on time is late. Okay. This is the second exercise. The dialogue is, man, I hope we will get back our homework the next time we show up for class. The woman, probably the instructor will not hand back the workbook exercises. The question, what does the woman mean? A. They will most likely get back their work. B. Rarely does the professor give back homework the next class. C. The professor never gives them a hand with their homework. D. The professor forgot to include the homework in the exercises. The correct answer is B, because if we didn't understand about the conversation, just avoid the similar sound in the conversation. Skill 3 is suggestion. Those are suggestion expressions. A. For the example, let's go to the party tonight. B. Why not? For the example, why not get a ticket for the party tonight? C. You'd better not come late to this party tonight. Here is the exercise. The first exercise, the dialogue is, I never have enough spending money. The woman, why not get a part-time job? The question is, what does the woman suggest? A. Spending less money. B. Doing a better job at work. C. Earning some money. D. Spending less time at her job. The correct answer is C, because the point of the woman's suggestion is to earning some money. Skill 4, passive voice. Okay, in this passive voice, there are tricks and tips. Okay, first, if the conversation contains a passive statement, the answer to the question is often an active statement. For the second, if the conversation contains an active statement, the answer to the question is often a passive statement. Note: check carefully who or what is doing the action in these questions. Let's do the exercise. The first exercise for skill 4, okay, the dialogue is: the woman, what happened to your notebook? The man, I left it in the cafeteria. The question is, what does the man imply? A. The cafeteria is to the left. B. He left a note on the cafeteria door. C. He took some notes in the cafeteria. D. The notebook was left in the cafeteria. The correct answer is D, because left is active statement, so the passive statement is was left. Okay, next to skill 5 is conclusion, who and where. Okay, the frequently asked question is who is probably talking and where does the conversation take place? Okay, let's see to the example. Okay, this is the exercise of conclusion who. The question is, okay, the man, I'd like to mail this package please. The woman, first on second class. The question is, who is the woman most likely to be? A. A school administrator. B. A postal worker. C. A banker. Or D. A teacher. The correct answer is B, because there is word mail this package. Okay, next to the second exercise. This is exercise for conclusion where. The dialogue is, the woman, how much are the flowers? The man, $10 a bouquet. The question is, where does this conversation probably take place? A. In a bakery. B. In a grocery store. C. In a florist shop. D. In a garden. Okay, we already know the correct answer is C, flowers. Skill 6 is expressions of agreement. Okay, expressions of agreement. There is so do I'll say, me too, you can say that again, neither do I do either. Okay, let's see to the example, to the exercise. Okay, this is exercise, the first exercise. The dialogue is, man, this homework is going to take forever. The woman, I'll say. The question is, what does the woman mean? A. It's going to take forever to get home. B. It takes a long time to get from home to work. C. She and the man have the same opinion about the homework. Or D. She needs to take the homework to class. Okay, the correct answer is C. Thank you. So that's all from me, and thank you so much for the attention. Good luck. Have a nice day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
If I wake from dreamless sleep, may tomorrow begin like a dream.